Hey lovely people, welcome to my channel made by Yuma, your crochet channel. In today's tutorial we'll see about a beautiful crochet earring. So for this we would need three different colors of anchor thread, the cotton thread, anchor pearl cotton thread, size number 8. I'm taking pink, lavender and green. We would also need a crochet hook of size 0.5, anywhere between 0.5 to 1 mm. So here I'm taking 0.5 mm, and some scissors we would need. So let's get started by taking the tail end and uh, bring the tail end around your index and middle finger together to form a circle. So do this for about 6 times. So the more the thicker, it will be very sturdy. So let's take the hook and insert into the circle we just formed, then bring the loop, then make a chain stitch here. So this forms a knot in the circle. Now let's going to work single crochet into the circle we just formed. So this is the first single crochet, and then start working on the next single crochet. So this is the pattern we are going to work all throughout the circle. So if you're not comfortable with 0.5 mm hook, you can go for 0.75 or 1 mm if you are a beginner. So that will be easy for you to do this pattern. So here I've completed the circle, and let's finish this by making a slip stitch into the very first chain stitch. So grab the yarn, pull through the yarn and pull through that loop we have on the hook. So this completes the circle. Pull the yarn to about 2 inches long, 2 to 3 inches long, and then we can cut the yarn. So let's keep it aside and start working on the next color. So take the pink thread and take the tail end of the thread. Now let's make a magic circle by bringing the thread around your index finger and insert the hook through the loop and grab the yarn so that we have one loop on the hook. Now let's make 2 chains and then make a double crochet into the loop. Make another double crochet into the loop, and now make 2 chains, chain 1 and chain 2, then make a slip stitch into the magic circle. So this is a slip stitch, and this forms a petal of the flower we are going to make. This is one petal we just formed. Let's make the second petal. Make chain 2, chain 1, chain 2, and then make 2 double crochet into the loop. If you are an absolute beginner, you can check out my videos on Crochet Basics, where I have explained about making a chain stitch, single crochet, double crochet and half double crochet, all the basics you would need to get started with crocheting. So here we are completing the second petal. I'm making a slip stitch into the crochet magic circle. Now we made 2 petals, and here I have completed 6 petals for the flower. Now pull the tail end of the magic circle so that the center, right, the center part shrinks, and finally make a chain 1, and then you can leave about 2 to 3 inches and cut the yarn. Our beautiful flower is ready. Let's keep it aside. So let's work on the leaf part. For that, take the green thread and make a slip knot. So then continue to make chain 5, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5. Let's skip the very first chain and insert the hook into the second chain to make a slip stitch. For a slip stitch, you just have to pull through the loop we have on the hook and then yarn over, insert into the next chain, grab the yarn, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This makes a half double crochet. Make another half double crochet into the next chain space and then into the last chain make a slip stitch. So this completes one leaf pattern. So as you can see in the leaf pattern, and we are going to make another leaf pattern which is attached to this. For that, make chain 5 and similarly skip the first chain and insert the needle into the second chain and make a slip stitch, then make 2 half double crochet and then a slip stitch into the last chain. So this completes the leaf pattern. To about 2 inches long and cut the yarn. So the beautiful leaf pattern is complete. So now let's see how to apply fabric stiffener to this crochet patterns. So for that I'm taking a instant starch, that is liquid stiffener, and I'm gonna add some water to it. I have already mixed water to the stiffener and I'm gonna take it in a bowl. And now let's apply this liquid stiffener, or you can add some starch, instant starch, to the back side of the crochet pattern which is formed. So take the ring we created and apply the stiffener at the back side. So we always do it on the flip side because it will not spoil the look of the crochet work. So make sure you hide the tail ends as well. We have the teeny tiny tail ends, right? So just hide those as well. So we have applied the starch to the ring, let it dry for some time. So let's apply it on the flower and the leaf as well. So make sure you apply the starch to the tail ends as well so that they stick to the back side, and then we can cut the excess thread. So let's keep it aside for drying, and let's apply starch to the leaf pattern now. Take the leaf pattern and in a similar way apply starch on the flip side. And then let this all dry for about 10 minutes or until they're completely dried out. So after about 15 minutes, I'm going to work on fixing all together. So for that, I'm taking a glue. You can take any fabric glue, and then Take the circle, the ring we just made. First, let's attach the leaf. Apply the glue on that. You can use any fabric glue. And then let's attach the flower. So I'm gonna decorate it with a bead. This is totally optional, and you can leave it without using a bead as well. It gives you more uh, beauty to the earring. So I'm taking a smallest bead that is available with me, and I'm gonna attach it. And that's it. So let it all dry for another 10 minutes or so, and then let's see how to attach the hook, earring hook, to them. So now it's all completely dried out. So let's attach the hook, earring hook, and the loop. Of happiness because you just made it, and you can customize it based on your uh, outfit, I mean, to suit your outfit. I hope this tutorial is useful to you guys, and if so, please share it with your friends and family. If you like to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.